Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you are here with the bearded burrito connoisseur. Things are about to get a little messy. And we're not eating any burritos today, but we are eating some wings. Because if you know the bearded burrito connoisseur, you know that I love two things in this life that make it worth living. And that's burritos and chicken wings. So today we're at Manning Irish Pub, Manning's in Carle Place, and we will be trying the Baker's appetizer. And the chicken wing, yeah, we're good. We're rolling. What's this called again? Baker's? Baker's dozen. Okay, cool. This is my lovely friend Alex. Say hi, Alex.
Hi.
What's going on?
Nothing.
And we're gonna try some. We're gonna try some Jameson chicken wings and some buffalo chicken wings, and give a critique about what we feel is going on here at Manning's in Carle Place. Thanks. All right. Let's do it. Let's get into it. So let's take a look quick. All right. This is the buffalo. Those are the Jameson. I'm gonna have to find out how they're made. It's definitely gonna have to happen. But I'm gonna go with the Jameson first. Going with the Jameson first because I've actually had these before. But I'm gonna give you my instant reaction. Meat is good. Meat is good. It's like very sweet. Sauce is definitely sweet. Blue cheese is a great touch. This is fucking delicious. I'm sorry. This is just really good. It kind of tastes like you can taste, when you get like a Jameson Sprite or something like that, and you taste the sweetness that has it. It has that that whiskey kick to it. Definitely has a whiskey kick to it. Man, I love chicken wings. I don't think I could ever be a vegetarian because I love chicken wings. No, technically it's not meat though. Someone said to me it's only poultry. But I always considered this meat. I don't know. Maybe you can share your feedback. It's like a barbecue-y thing too. It's a little barbecue-y. Really good. All right, let's try one of the buffaloes now. Let's see what that's hitting for. It's hot. It's not that hot though. It's not super spicy. It's it's definitely a more milder side. The trouble with having a beard and reviewing burritos and chicken wings is that shit always gets in your beard. But that's certain things you gotta deal with. Even good without the blue cheese. So, these are really good chicken wings. I'm gonna tell you. I said to someone, I'm gonna do this review on chicken wings too, and they're like, I kind of threw the idea away because I was like, how can you fuck up chicken wings? Like how do you fuck up chicken wings? It's like one of the most simplest things to make. But it's been done. people fuck that shit up. Have you had Domino's chicken wings? I don't know where else, but there's definitely a lot of places that have shitty fucking chicken wings. But I'll tell you, Manning's Irish Pub in Carle Place on Old Country Road. These chicken wings, the Jameson. It's not spicy. It's got the sweet whiskey kick to it. It's sweet, you know? And it's like, it's not so much like barbecue sauce, but it reminds me of barbecue sauce, but it's not barbecue sauce. I know it's not. It's sweeter than that. The barbecue sauce has a little bit more of that like rough tint to it. But yeah, I'm telling you, man, if you're in the mood for chicken wings, get the Baker's Dozen. What do they come with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 wings. Got 7 each. 7 JMO, 7 Buffalo. That's good. I'm just gonna go back and forth here. I'm just gonna. That's what I call a one-shot kill. When you have a chicken wing, you know, chicken wings come in a couple of different sizes. But maybe a chicken wing like this particular. Thumbs up. You have a chicken wing like this, you want to go for the one-shot kill. I'll show you what that is. Dip a little bit, all right? That's called the one-shot kill. Okay? There you go. Take the whole chicken wing, boom, bite down. Use the back of your teeth to pull the meat. I'm giving away my secrets. I'm giving away my, you know, tips of the trade. So yeah, that's it, man. That's pretty much what's going on. I gotta get some beverage in me. They are a little spicy, the Buffaloes. I feel a little spicy. Alex just walked by. She gave me the thumbs up. I'll make sure I'm enjoying myself, and I surely am right now. These are fucking delicious. The last time I made a video, I kind of just talked about the burrito for like a long time. This time, this is what I'm going to do from now on, is I will be actually eating the food. This way I can review it on the spot and then you know what I think right off the bat. I have no criticism whatsoever with these chicken wings. Only thing I can say is that I do like spicy things. Matter of fact, we might just get some hot sauce over here. We might have to do that. Can I get some hot sauce? Thanks. Yeah, we're gonna get some hot sauce. Because I have no criticism about the wings, but I do like spicy things. So, girl, Alex hooking me up right now. Thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Need anything else?
I'm good. I'm good right now. Thank you. Maybe your phone number. Real good. the JMO are really like, JMO is really where it's at right now. Right. Some of them are a little bit more crispy. They have more of a crisp to them than others. Like the edges have this like burnt kind of crisp taste to it, kind of like similar to barbecue, but it's sweet. It's mainly sweet, and it has like a sweet whiskey kick to it. I'm having a good time right now. And if you were wondering, yes, I will eat all fucking 14 of these wings. Because that's what I came to do. And I'm going to put some fucking hot sauce in the blue cheese. It's a little leaky. I'm going to mix that up. A bit. Okay. Use a bone to do that. Now we got some spice going on here. Now we got some spice. I'm sorry, I got no words. I'm enthralled by the chicken wings. I was just gonna get the Jameson. Like, it comes with like 6 or 8 of the Jameson. But something told me to get the baker's dozen. Because it's got half Jameson, half buffalo. And you know what? I'm glad I did. Because it's the best of both worlds. You got a little bit of spice, buffalo, and then you also got some JMO, some sweet, crispy wings as well. So you're going back and forth between the hot world and the sweet world. I got a bone stuck. That's the thing about the one shot. You might lose a couple bones. Yeah, Baker's Dozen, Manning's, Irish Pub, Carle Place. It's like being an international space traveler between worlds of flavor, universes of flavor. You're an international flavor traveler. Blue cheese really kicked up a notch since I put the hot sauce in it. I'm actually sweating a little bit internally. I'm good. We're good, man. We got one JMO left, and then we're done. And it's on to the next place. I got a list of burrito places that I've been recommended to go to. Alright. So, I got a list of burrito places I've been recommended to go to. And we will definitely visit one of those this week. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. If you have suggestions about chicken wing places or burrito places that I should check out, New York City, Long Island, those are the two places I can get to right now with my job. But drop a comment and let us know. If there's other places in the world, let us know about those too. Because fuck it. I'm gonna build a list of places that I need to visit. And so when the time comes, I will visit these places. And I will eat there. And I will eat their chicken wings or their burritos. And I will let you know how they are. So thanks for tuning in. Tuning in. This is the Bearded Burrito Connoisseur, talking about the Baker's Dozen, half Jameson, half Buffalo, Manning's Irish Pub, Carle Place, New York. You get 3 stars out of 3. We had a rating scale from 0 stars to 3 stars, and you can get anywhere from a 1/4 star to a 1/2 star to a 3/4 of a star within that scale. But yeah, this place blew my fucking socks off, man. I'm going 3 stars. Staff is friendly. The place is lovely. The wings are great. So that's what I got. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you next time. Peace.